Namaskar. What do I expect from a novel when I open the first pages? I expect the novel to give me a very engrossing reading experience, and I expect it in form and content to be different, unique from the novels I already read. I'm one of the fortunate first readers of Misplaced Heads, a whole new novel by Jayanti Shankar, and that novel has given me a very engrossing experience in reading, and it was a page turner. I got fairly good idea of South Indian culture because I'm from South India. So I thought that Bharatanatyam was the art form most popular in South India, was the only form, or it remained from the day one as Bharatanatyam. I learned from the book Sadir is its origin, and the devoted artists who nurtured it are called Devaradiyars, and they were the only women in ancient times who were allowed to perform exclusively certain rituals in temples. They were having the allowance to devote completely to art. So they were not inside the family system. They could fully devote to art, and they were respected by the king. And they were having economic independence, respect from society, anything a modern woman today, even today, struggles to assert or grab. So these informations, these facts of history were unknown to me. I had just carried the notion that they were into prostitution, and it was stopped by the British. Misplaced Heads threw new light on what actually happened. What was their plight? What were their strengths? What was the social system? Or what were the norms which surprisingly were in favor of art and a section of women? But even though I had taken the book, I had just thought of an anthropological and historical point of view or theme as I read it. But what I found is a multi-layered fiction where women of contemporary life, or the women who were artists even today, how they find their personal lives, what are the struggles they undergo to devote to art and lead a personal life of a woman's choice. The novel opens many windows on the relationship between man and woman, the power equations in a society, the place of a woman in a family and society, the place of a woman in partnership with her man, and above all, the status of artists in the society as a whole. I have read many non-linear novels, but Misplaced Heads' narration, form and content are different in every way, because swapping of eras or swapping between the narration about different characters from chapter to chapter is seamless, and the flow is very, very engrossing to read. When you find a piece of art, when you cherish reading something or appreciating a wonderful literature, the hard work and the editing and the devotion, and above all the enjoyment the author gave to the work is evident. I am clearly able to see all this in the novel. I would say this novel is an eye-opener for both older generation and the youth, and a must read.